having a nightmare, cutie? Please. Come on, baby. Wake up for me. There we go. Hey. Hey. I'm right here, love. I got you now. Just lean into my arms. That's it, baby. That's it. It's okay. It's okay. I've got you. And I will never let you go. Okay? That's my good baby. Do you want to talk about it, honey? Alright, sweetie. Tell me what your nightmare was about. Oh, sweetie. Oh, come here. Come into my arms, baby. It was just a bad dream, cutie. None of that was real. And I promise that I will never leave you for any reason, okay? That's my good baby. Everything's fine now, my dear. And you're in my arms. I'm perfectly safe with me. Take some deep breaths with me, sweetheart, and try to calm down, okay? Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 5. And breathe out for 7 seconds. Can you do that for me, baby? Oh, that's my good baby. Just breathe with me, okay? Breathe in. Hold. And breathe out. Let's do that a few more times, okay, baby? That's my good baby. Just breathe and relax for me. You're safe now. It's okay, little one. Just cling on to me while I help you relax. Feel my soft fur envelop you in a soft and right? My fingers running through your hair. And just relax and calm down as you melt for me. That's my good little one. Just melt in my fur and let my voice soothe you to complete relaxation. Do you know how I deal with stress? Or when I have a nightmare, my love? I like to climb up in the trees and glide from one tree to the other. I like to look up at the beautiful night sky and feel the moonlight against my fur as I glide. Does that sound like fun, baby? Do you want me to take you out and have you ride on my back as I glide us through the sky? Alright, my love, we can do it tonight, okay? But we'll only go out for a short time. You need to go back to sleep soon, and I don't want my baby to get hurt when I'm gliding. Does that sound fair? Alright, baby. Just take my hand, and I'll lead you to my favorite spot. Alright, my precious baby. Let's go. Time to let my good baby fly or glide. Here we are, baby. This is where I like to glide and take some time to relax for myself. You look so excited to glide, baby. I'm so happy to finally show you my little side of paradise. Oh, you've never seen me glide before. Well, let me show you something. Do you like what you see, baby? The soft skin flap allows me to glide freely in the sky for a while, almost like a parachute, but I have free control of how far I go before landing. Do you want to touch it, little one? Alright, sweetie, you can touch my skin flap. Just be very gentle with it, honey. It's very sensitive, especially when I'm gliding. Go on and touch it if you want, baby. You have such gentle hands, baby. It feels so nice when you pat and massage my wings. I know they aren't actually wings, baby, but it's much better than calling them an extra layer of skin, and they do it kind of like airplane wings. Although I don't stay in the air for too long. Are you ready to glide, cutie? Alright, my love, just wrap your arms around my neck and gently climb on my back. Oh, Sweetie, you're a bit too heavy for me. Come on, climb back down. Okay, we can't do that. You're way too heavy for me when you're on my back. I'm sorry, I guess we can't glide tonight. What is it, baby? Do you have an idea? Because I don't know how you can glide with me. My pouch. Why are you pointing at my pouch, honey? Last time I checked, we don't have any cats. You want to sit in my pouch and stay in there as I glide? Honey, would that even work? My pouch is made for tiny bundles of joy, not a full-grown person like you, baby. Are you sure you want to try it? Alright, baby. You can try to fit into my pouch, but I won't be too surprised if you don't. My, you fit perfectly, my love. Now I can glide perfectly while you're snug in my pouch. Sweetie, you look so adorable when you're all snug and comfortable in my pouch. I might just decide to keep you there all night like a sweet little babe. Alright, my love, let's glide. Alright, sweetie, just stay nice and snug in my pouch and get ready for takeoff. Alright, cutie, are you ready? Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3. This is amazing. The wind flowing through my hair, the moonlight against my fur, and the freedom I have in the air. How was that, baby? You feel better now? That's good, baby. I'm so glad you love having me glide you across the night. Let's go a little further, and we'll arrive at a nearby clearing with a big house and a beautiful view of the night sky. Alright, my love, just hang on tight and stay in my pouch while I glide. Alright, sweetheart, this is our stop. Just hold on as I land. Here we are, darling. My little side of paradise. Home away from home, if you like. How are you, honey? Do you feel dizzy? Nauseous? maybe a bit lightheaded. I'm sorry, baby. I should have warned you about the side effects on the first flight. But you look so cute when you're a lightheaded baby. You look so adorable in my pouch, and completely snug and safe there. I think it's time to get out of my pouch though. I don't want my precious baby to get trapped in my pouch. As much as I think it makes you the cutest thing ever. There we go, my little baby. It must be nice to move freely outside of my pouch, huh? You feel better now, honey. That's good. Now then, let's find a spot to lay down for a while. Here we are, sweetheart. Nothing but an open meadow with beautiful flowers and the moonlight just for us. Just breathe in that fresh air and breathe out your worries, my love. You're safe here with me, and I promise to keep you safe in my arms. You want to sleep under the stars, baby? Okay, my love. Let's lay down right here under the moonlight and surrounded by beautiful Rosa. Are you surprised I had a blanket in my pouch, darling? I like to keep one in my pouch, just in case we go on a vacation or sleep in the backyard like we used to. Plus, it keeps my pouch nice and warm, and it never hurts to bring an extra blanket. Come here, baby. Come to me. That's my good baby. Just rest and relax in my soft arms. Let me play with your hair, because I know just how much you love feeling my fingers gently run through your silky soft hair, and it makes you melt so beautifully for me. You're safe with me, cutie. Oh, nice and snug on my soft embrace. I'll keep you safe tonight and make sure nothing harms my precious little one. I love seeing you relax and melt when I hold you and play with your hair. You make the most adorable faces as you sink into my fur. That's my good baby. Just sink into the sensation of my tail caressing your back, making sure you feel safe and comfortable in my embrace. That's it, my love. Just breathe for me and surrender to my touch. I promise you are loved and safe in my arms. Why don't you rest your head on my chest, baby? I know how much my heartbeat soothes you and how much you love to sleep on my chest. That's it, my love. Sink into my fur. Let my heart beat. Sing you the most beautifully lullaby. You are safe, baby. Fall asleep in my soft embrace now, sweetie, and let your sugar glider girlfriend comfort and protect her precious little one. You are my sweet little treasure that I hold so dear to me. You are the light of my life, baby. You shine brighter than any star in the sky and sparkle more beautifully as well. I'm so happy to have such a beautiful, loving, and sweet partner in my life. And I promise to never let you go from my arms. Good night, my sweet little